In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoHighLevel with Make.com. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting your journey with these platforms, integrating them can significantly streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. So, let's dive in without further ado. First things first, we'll start by setting up a new scenario in Make.com. If you're unfamiliar with this term, a scenario is essentially an automated workflow, a series of tasks that execute in a sequence based on triggers and actions that you define. To do this, navigate to your Make.com dashboard. You'll see an option to create a new scenario. Click on that. Make sure you're in the right mindset to visualize the flow of data and processes you want to automate between GoHighLevel and Make.com. Next, we'll integrate GoHighLevel into this newly created scenario by adding a GoHighLevel lead connector module. This step is crucial as it will act as a bridge between the two platforms, allowing them to communicate seamlessly. To add this module, simply search for GoHighLevel lead connector in the modules list and select it. Now you're one step closer to automating your processes. Once you've selected the GoHighLevel lead connector module, you'll need to set up a connection. Here's where the magic truly starts. You'll be prompted to create a connection to link your GoHighLevel account with Make.com. You'll have two options: API key or OAuth. The option you choose depends largely on your security preferences and technical environment. Both methods have their merits, so let's briefly touch on each one to help you make an informed decision. Using an API. Key is straightforward and often favored for its simplicity. You'll need to generate an API key from your GoHighLevel account settings and input it in the required field when prompted. It's a fast process, but make sure to treat your API key with care. It's essentially like a password, giving access to your account. Alternatively, if you prefer a method that's arguably more secure and doesn't involve handling keys directly, OAuth is the way to go. This approach lets you authenticate your connection by logging into your GoHighLevel account through a secure portal operated by Make.com. It abstracts away the complexities, ensuring a smooth and secure connection without you having to manage sensitive data directly. Once you've chosen and set up your preferred connection type, check to ensure that the modules are linked properly and can communicate as intended. This completion signals a successful connection between GoHighLevel and Make.com, letting you leverage the full power of automation across these platforms. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively linked GoHighLevel with Make.com. This setup not only boosts efficiency, but also allows you to focus on what truly matters, knowing that repetitive tasks are handled automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore other ways these powerful tools can work together to streamline your business operations.